Now, we will learn reactivity series of metals. The arrangement of common metals, in decreasing order of their reactivity, is known as reactivity series, or activity series. The reactivity series metals are potassium, sodium, barium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, chromium, iron, cadmium, cobalt, nickel, tin, hydrogen, lead, copper, mercury, silver and gold. The only non-metal present in a reactivity series is hydrogen. The metals above hydrogen in reactivity series are more reactive than hydrogen. The metals below hydrogen in reactivity series are less reactive than hydrogen. Reactivity of metals decreases from top to bottom in reactivity series. Potassium is the most reactive metal, so it has been placed at the top in the reactivity series. Sodium metal is less reactive than potassium, so sodium has been placed below potassium in the reactivity series. Gold, being the least reactive metal, has been placed at the bottom of the reactivity series. If a metal loses electrons easily to form positive ions more readily than hydrogen, then it is said to be more reactive than hydrogen. If a metal loses electrons easily to form positive ions less readily than hydrogen, then it is said to be less reactive than hydrogen. Hence, the reactivity series of metals decide whether a particular displacement reaction to take place or not. Now we will learn about reaction of metals with chlorine. Metals react with chlorine to form ionic chlorides. Let us look into a few examples. When sodium reacts with chlorine to form ionic chloride, it is called sodium chloride. The chemical equation is 2 sodium plus chlorine on reaction gives 2 sodium chloride. Next example is on heating, copper reacts with chlorine to form copper chloride. The chemical equation is copper plus chlorine on reaction gives copper chloride or cupric chloride. All these metal chlorides are ionic compounds or electrovalent compounds. Let us see reaction of metals with hydrogen. Most of the metals do not combine with hydrogen. Only a few reactive metals like sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium react with hydrogen to form metal hydrides. The examples for the metals that don't react with hydrogen are: when hydrogen gas passed over heated sodium, then sodium hydride is formed. The chemical equation is 2 sodium plus hydrogen on reaction gives 2 sodium hydride or ionic hydride. Next example is when hydrogen gas is passed over heated calcium, then calcium hydride is formed. The chemical equation is calcium plus hydrogen on reaction produce calcium hydride or ionic hydride.